Hello and welcome back to another video of the park, and today we are at Nikkō Kegon Falls. Let's enjoy this video. About Kegon Falls, you have 2 points to the observation deck. You have a free point and then you have one where you can access using the elevator. But first you will need to pay to access the elevator to go to the lower part of the observation deck. So right now we're at the upper layer of the observation deck. Then we will be moving to the bottom. Now let's go for an elevator ride through the cliffs to access more stunning views of Kegon Falls. This elevator was built in 1930 and it takes about 1 minute to go through the cliff to access the observation deck. In order to access this elevator, you first have to pay an admission fee. But trust me, it's really worth it. So if you ever go to Nikkō and want to see Kegon Falls, please try to access this observation deck using the elevator.
I am at the top of the observation deck of Kegon Falls, and it's beautiful up here. And I am getting wet because the water from the waterfall is blowing with the wind. But it's very nice. So I do recommend Kegon Falls as well. So please continue to enjoy watching the fall and looking out for more amazing things at Nikko or in Nikko.